Hi, good morning, doctor. So, this is our Group Egg presentation. So, our Group Egg project title is Color Combination using Mary Simulation. So, next is outline for this presentation. Is contain team members, introduction, coding explanation, our coding result, flowchart, conclusion, and Q&A. So, next is team members. So, before that, I will introduce myself. My name is David Tion Longwe, and my other member is Muhammad Afizuddin, Muhammad Ali Fizat, and Sharon Nizam. So next part I will pass to my friend.
Hi, my name is Shamizan Muhammad. My metric number is CE190144. Okay, today I would like to talk and present about our project, display external output. Okay, from the display external output, we drawing color combination to show how it's run to appear the color at the display. Okay, for introduction, color play an important role in world which we live in, as many color can sway our way of thinking, change our action, and cause reaction. The American Standard Code for Information Interchange, or ACIS for short, is a character encoding standard for electronic communication. In computer, telecommunication equipment, and other devices, ACIS code represent that. They are a unique table for ACIS code to make it perfect coding. For each letter, we can observe decimal and hexadecimal value. About our project, we are doing color combination to show how the color will appear at the display using the Mary simulator.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Ali Fizat. Jadi di sini saya akan menerangkan mengenai coding explanation kami. Ya. Our color combination system are going to use all of the above instruction in order to display the combination of three different color, which are red, blue and yellow. So nanti saya akan tunjukkan coding kami. So based on our coding, we are going to use the input instruction to ask the user to input two values that they want based on the colors that they want to add. From our system, we also use the skip con instruction that is like a conditional statement to determine that if the value of the accumulator is equal to 0, then the system will display in the Unicode output. So now I will show you the Mary simulator. So this is our coding from Mary. So this is where the coding is going to start, which is here at address 100. Now input is where the user is going to put the value that they want, because we already said that the color red is the value of 1, the color yellow is 2, and blue is -2. So from this coding, they have to choose between these three numbers to get the color that they want. So for example, if I want, let's say if I want to know what is the color combination of red and yellow, so I'm going to input 1 and then 2. There you go. The system will output the color here, which is red plus yellow is equal to orange, which is true, which is orange. Now if they want to add a different color, like if they want green, they have to input 2 and -2 in the value. So for example, so the value of yellow is 2 and blue is -2. 2, -2, and the system will display the answer here.
My name is Muhammad Fizuddin Biskandar. I am one of the group for the color competition using Mary Simulator. Now it's about our flowchart. For our flowchart show how the coding start, which is from the start. We then enter the input as shown in the Mary before. Then the Mary will load the value in the AC. For the skip con from the coding, we'll detect the value, and if the AC value is 0, yes, as the coding show, it will show on the display this one, the left one, yes one. Red plus yellow is orange, and if it no, And if the value is more than 0, it will show yellow plus blue, which is green. And if it's also no, and the value is lower than 0, which is before is higher than 0, and which this one is lower than 0, it will show you the red and blue, red plus blue equal to purple. And then it will stop. Same as the other one, which is equal to with the value equal to 0, and if it higher than 0, we also stop at there. Next is about the conclusion, which is I want to talk about. In the end of the project, the student in our group were able to understand the coding and also the pipeline for the Mary simulator that has many complicated usage. It's a basic, Mary is a basic one, but the coding is little difficult for us to understand because it using hex decimal number by declaring it. Other coding system such as C++ we don't declare it, but using Mary we need to declare the hex number and the decimal number if you want to produce its as output. Then student also will know the color combination, what the color that need to add, such as red and blue, to turn to purple. That student able to know what the combination of the color as that we display. The display mostly come as a Unicode mode.
The question, what are the unique feature of our CAO project? Okay, the unique feature of our project, which is a color combination with a Mary simulator, is that it's able to help people to figure out the result of combining the primary color together. This is because primary color are red, yellow, and blue. They cannot be created by mixing other color combination. However, the primary color themselves can be mixed to form new color, which are the secondary color. Tertiary color are created from mixing secondary color. For our project, we mainly focus on the primary color combination because most people do not know and memorize the color combination of this color. With this simple project, it will help people to recognize those different color combination. Okay, that's all for my part.
Now, this is my question, which is, what does current trend of computer architecture associate with our project? So, the current trend of computer architecture that relates to our project is that the process of creating the right color combination for creating a software or a website. Because we understand that color is very important to attract any user that is creating software or any website. Having the right color scheme on your web page or on the software is very crucial in attaining a professional and high quality application that can be well received by the user. If the website or software is not that appealing to the user, then they will just miss the content and leave the site. So, therefore, our project will be able to help people choose the right color for their software or websites. Thank you, that is all from me.
Hi, next I will explain on how your project can support the sustainable development. So our project support the sustainable development, which is in the goal 4 is the quality education. Sustainable development goal 4 is to ensure a quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunity for all. Education is the key to sustainable development, improving overall quality of life and securing a successful future. Therefore, our project support this goal because learning with the right color, we're able to catch their eye and grab their attention. Being able to recognize color assists with the education skills to such creative writing. By improving the quality of education, by adding different color, this will help to improve their memory, and that learning will be able to recall image in color mode more easily than image in black and white. This is because early identification of color helps to create the cognitive link between visual clues and word. That's all for me. Thank you.
For the question and A of our project, for the fourth question. Uh, okay, the question is about explain the current trend of computer architecture for the sustainable development. And our answer is that the current trend for the computer architecture or CA for our sustainable development is that the invention of monitoring robot or sensor that this type of device that are used to monitor of natural habitat environment that it can show our subtopic which is the display one which is natural habitat environment ranging from the sensor that the monitor civil infrastructure like bridge and power grid. It can display what we need uh, as our subtopic we choose is display. Uh, this is to sensor that in the wild that to identify the species based on the vision and audio input. By doing this, it will help to solve the sustainable development goal that will able to increase the work and economic growth.